Part 3, arc length. An arc length is actually the measurement of a portion of the circle. So not the degree. So if I wanted to know the length of QR, it's not how many degrees is that arc, but how long. So it's actually a portion of the circumference. So what we do is we have a formula that we say the arc length in degrees over 360. So it's the ratio of its measure will equal the same ratio of the length, the arc length, over circumference. Okay, so if you know the degrees, you can find the arc length. So you set up a proportion. So for this example, we know the radius is 15. The central angle is 120. Find the length of the arc that I've highlighted. So the degrees, 120 over the whole circle, 360, is going to equal the arc length over the circumference. So remember, circumference is 2 pi r. So this would be 2 pi times 15, which is where the 30 pi came from. Solving for a proportion, you would multiply both sides by 30 pi, so that you get L equals 10 pi, or approximately 31.42. Remember that this is the exact measure and this is the approximate. So let's have a few examples. We have the diameter is 24 units long. So we can do circumference is pi times the diameter. Find the measure of each arc for the given angle measurement. So we want to know DE. DE, and DOE is 150. So we have 150 divided by 360 is going to equal that arc length over the circumference, which is pi times the diameter, so 24. Multiplying you get that DE equals approximately or exactly 10 pi, or 31.42. DEA. 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 And it says DOE is 150. So if this whole thing is 150, this is 90. So my angle DOA is 240. And again, 24 pi. So multiplying, again, you get the DEA equals 16 pi, which equals 50.24. BC. BC is this little piece right here. Okay, so we need to find what that would measure. Well, if it's 90 here, it's 90, COA is 90. Let me see if it gives us anything. This is a diameter. Doesn't really tell me exactly that these two are the same. I do know that this is 30. I'm trying to figure out if there's another way that we can figure out, oh, it does tell us COB is 45. I'm sorry. So then, to find BC, sorry about that, was not paying attention. So then BC multiplying, you get 3 pi, which is approximately 9.42. And CBA is 90. COA is 90. And that's actually named wrong, the length. It should just say CA. So that's a resource error. And you get that equals exactly 6 pi, which is 18.84. And this concludes arcs, arc addition, and arc length.